this is the type of water that's coming from the house next door. I dammed it up for about 45 minutes. But now it's going into the drain. So eventually we're going to dry this place up. Oh, we dried up that half of the yard. Only to figure out that they were putting some kind of drain.
Like a river over here now.
I'm sure it is. Alright, this is 1 week after we installed a large French drain over here, trying to get the water under control. We just dug this trench that filled up that quickly with water. Now it's only a 24-inch trench, but that's how much water is coming from the neighbor up the hill. But water runs downhill. And down and down and down. That's the way it works. With an oversized drain here and here, we're holding about 1,000 gallons, maybe 800 gallons of water on this one. That's literally a 15-minute dig. Alright, after a few different ways of fixing this, it's now finally fixed. Had to add a second drain just to get the water to run properly, but got a nice swale through the middle of the yard with 2 French drains, which will keep this property bone dry.